What's up, you guys? It's your girl Lann. This is definitely casual wear. Oh my gosh, it is cold today. Hold on, you guys. I'm trying to debate. Do I want? Oh my gosh, yeah, it's cold. And it's supposed to rain. I woke up too late to call off, so I gotta deal with it. Trying to debate, do I want to wear? Yeah, I got purple. Billy brought me these, so you know I'm not getting rid of these. So, whew, this is it today, y'all. Oh my goodness. They're so dusty. Haven't worn in a long time. Okay, this is the fit, y'all. Oh my gosh, my little Nyla hoodie. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. So yeah, now I'm warm. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you guys. It's like my little hoodie. Y'all see this? Whew. It's my Friday, y'all. Y'all already know what it is. So with that said, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also hit that notification, y'all. Stay blessed. I'm out.